everybody. It is around 2:30 in the afternoon on Thursday afternoon on the 29th. I just want to do a quick midday update and recap what we went over in this morning's meeting to give everybody a really good idea of how much this VIX has been not only telling us what kind of volatility has been around, but filtering out what direction we should trade in, and more importantly, as we said this morning, about learning how to hold on to good trades longer and how to draw those proper trend lines. So in reference to that, you can clearly see here the VIX is going down, which is why the market's going straight up. You draw your line when you want to do it properly from the high to the low, not crossing through any prices, and you're going to draw right up to the previous high that preceded the low. So in this case here, that's that spot there, not crossing any price action. When it breaks that line, closes on the other side, and then eventually starts to retest those lows, that's where you draw the upper channel. So right now we have the upper channel, the lower channel, and nothing to do while we're in between those two lines. So until we either break to the downside and continue to trade aggressively long because the VIX is heading down, or if we bounce and close above to the upside and start an uptrend, maybe the sellers that have been around for the last 4 days have been back. So the point I'm trying to make here is that's the proper way to do it and how to anticipate some of your entries. So this entire time on the way down here, you should have been long, stayed long. Gold stocks were strong today. Obviously, the spiders were strong today. But right now, between 12:30 and as of now 2:30, there really hasn't been anything to do, especially here at 1 o'clock when it broke. So until we get out of this box, there's nothing to do. And we'll go really quick to the market. You can see here in the spiders doing exactly what it should be doing on a day that the VIX is doing what it's doing. And market itself has been in the same tight range. This is yesterday's high, believe it or not. We're actually up and above that level. We get another nice 20-cent trading range here to put on a piece. But the important part here today is push up, pause, push up, pause, push up, pause. And now we're in this range. And you put another piece on in this 106.20 to 106.45 area. Get your first part on there, breaks out with some kind of volume to the upside. You're looking to add to it. But the market's already traveled a pretty good distance today. We'll let the VIX tell us where the next move is. Next resistance level, 107 here in the spider. So even looking on this 15-minute chart, this is a pretty nice pause to be getting involved here again. So a lot of good trades happening today. We'll do a pretty good recap later, probably around 2.5, 3 hours from now. And if you're having a good day so far, add to it. Looks like VIX is starting to head back down.